Hey guys, this is Uprant and this is Brian, and we have Sam with us today. Just coming from there. So we are going to the Gold Strike Hot Spring, which is only 45 minutes far away from the Las Vegas Strip. To go to this hike, there is two ways. One, you can go from Black Canyon, do kayak, and another way you can hike round trip 5.2 miles, climb the ropes. If you're worried about climbing the rope and you don't want to hike 5.2 miles, I think the kayaking is the best option for you guys. According to the map, they say there's a 2 hot spring. Temperature is 53. Wind is a little bit chilly, but sun is helping, so we start around 11:20 a.m. I think so it's gonna take us more than 2 hours one way. Oh, yeah. Yes, my friend. You good, Sam? Yeah, you can come this way.
On the rope number 1.
And the rope is stuck.
And the rope is stuck.
So?
Yes, don't fall.
Yes.
I survived the first rope. Oh, this guy is not holding the rope. He's proud that he grew up in mountain.
It's not that hard. There you go, rope number 2. Not good. Real.
Because it's very steep like this. See you on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a... Oh, I'm here already. Bye. Good job.
Let's go. Rope number 3. Rope number 3.
Yeah, I can wait for you. Yeah?
She can do it. Look at this. Look at this place actually.
That's it?
Beautiful, huh? Nothing? Sayonara.
Go then.
Rope number 4.
Yay! Good job, Sam.
He said sliding down is easier, but it's the rock on the bottom.
Yeah. Don't hit your butt. Come here, it's okay, it's okay. Boom.
Yes, it's warm.
Sam, how's been the hike so far?
Good. I thought it's gonna be cold.
You thought it's gonna be cold?
Yes.
Hey Brian, how's the hike been so far?
So easy.
So
Just like
easy.
that.
I won't say it's easy, but yeah, it's cool. Now here you go, I think that's the rope number 5. Ooh la la. It's been great. This place is actually busy. I have seen so many people walking by us. So I got 2 of these buddies behind me. Look at the cool place around here. Just sit on this.
We just need to cover next time the elbows.
Yeah, I hit the elbow. I think that's the last round. Feel the heart. It's literally come down from there. Hang on the rope. Climb this.
Here?
That's the best way to go. I can literally feel the hot water. You know how hot it is? It's not super hot actually. So many people here. Oh. Ooh. Let's go. Nice. I like this. Much peaceful.
Okay, we finally reached. And look at my shoes. Ta-da! Are you hungry?
I am starving.
What about you?
I'm gonna cook something good.
Somebody's getting ready to cook.
Final product. Plate. I really like this place, especially when we are next to the Colorado River and the view is good. I don't know if you can see that bridge. Other side of that bridge is the Hoover Dam, and this is the Colorado River. How do you like this place so far?
So good. Can't wait to jump in the pool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Ah, it's too hot. Okay, this guy is ready.
So now we are done eating and we are going to the geothermal pools. Wow. Very cool to see this tree here. Look at this geothermal pool. So many people are here. I think so we'll go to another one.
I think this is good.
We're finishing there.
I would say the temperature would be like somewhere around 97 to 107.
Wow.
Yeah. And it's perfect. That's time to come on weekdays just to avoid some crowd.
Sure. Oh. Look at his shoes.
Go.
Oh yes. We're on the 3rd or 4th rope, and we still have 2 or 3 more to go. Halfway there.
Easy. Monkey.
Yes, guys. Hi. Wow. Is this the hardest one?
No, that's the easy one. Hard one is gone.
This is the best one.
Yeah, this is the best and this is the last. Yay.
Was it the last one?
Yes.
Is it?
Oh, there's one more.
No, that's the last one. I think so. We're down on the last rope. Good thing nobody's hurt.
Some point of time there was an accident up there. There's a highway 93, so look at this. Wow, that's crazy. Hey guys, we finally made it back. It's almost 4:15. This almost took us 5 hours. Actually, while coming back from the hot spring, it's only took us like 1 hour and 25 minutes. Yeah, but I would say you should at least take 4 to 6 hours. 2 hours goes going down, 2 hours coming back, and 1 hour or 2 hours just to chill down there. Do you want to say something?
I survived.
You survived.
Except for my...
Except for shoes.
Except for my shoes. Barely.
Yeah.
What about you?
That was good. I do survive. What about you, my
Feeling
friend?
great, my friend. One of the best day in Vegas so far.
Thank you for watching us. See you next time. And make sure subscribe and like. Bye.